Looking for a benchtop belt sander? Our tools and equipment appliance experts bought and tested the top 5 benchtop belt sander available in 2021 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect benchtop belt sander for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list. We have the Kalamazoo 1SM1 Belt Sander, 32 pounds. Kalamazoo is simple in design, and it is very easy to use. The platen is more secure, the belts are easier to change, the tracking works better, and the machine has enough power that the only way to stall the motor is to get a piece of material wedged between the belt and the platen. Its weight is 32 pounds and height is under 24 inches. It can be used very tactfully sitting on your seat, and while working, the users will feel very comfortable cause the machine is very helpful. It smooths the surface faster than any other tools made for this work. Moreover, the belt can be changed within a few seconds without using any tool, and it is very facile. You can also fix it for different kinds of applications. Thus you can be highly benefited working with the Kalamazoo. One of the biggest advantages you can have is that it works quietly, and hence you do not have to face the problem of noise. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the Jet J4002 1X42 Belt and Disc Sander. Its uses are that the platen is removable and the users can work from 45-degree angles on both sides. The sander operates on a 24-inch belt. The disc is 8 inches in size and is made of aluminum. It's a single-phase motor. Changing the direction of rotation depends on the way the rotor is wound and the method of inducing the phase shift. The motor is very powerful and can work for a long period of time without break. There is also a dust collector port included with it. Moreover, it has multifunctionality. Hence the user can have a few facilities by using only a single machine. At number 3 on our list, we have the Porter Cable PCB 420 SA belt with 8-disc bench sander. Porter Cable PCB 420 SA belt with 8-disc bench sander is a powerful 3/4 HP induction ball bearing motor that delivers 3,450 RPMs for the belt and 2,160 FPM on the disc for rapid, proficient sanding. Though it consumes more power than the other reviewed sanders, it can also provide you more benefits and facilities in return. You can complete your task faster than ever. Also, your job will be very much enjoyable, and the result will be very amazing with this machine. Its working efficiency is totally extraordinary. It has a dust bag for collecting dust, and the sanding belt can tilt up to 90 degrees vertical, which can be counted as an extra advantage for the users. So Porter Cable PCB 420 SA belt with 8-disc bench sander should be used if one is willing to get his work done faster and easier. At number 4 on our list, we have the Wen 6500 2T 4.3 amp 4x36 in belt and 6 in disc sander. The Wen belt disc sander is a sander machine that easily sands, smooths and removes all of the jagged edges and splinters on your wood and lumber. You'll have the power to switch and replace sandpaper grits very easily whenever needed without wasting your valuable time. Its amperage capacity is 4.3 amps and it measures in metric system. It also requires no battery. But the machine functions very fast and give a fantastic result to your work. The belt tilts anywhere from 0 to 90 degrees and sturdy cast iron base prevents any heavy vibrations. So its convenience is a lot that can never be described in words. It includes both a 4x36-inch belt and a 6x6-inch disc. Its variable speed control dial enables user to match the speed to the application. The machine also has soft start feature for smooth startups. Hence the machine is in high demand at this very moment. And finally, at number 5 on our list, we have the Wen 6500 2T 4.3 amp 4x36 in. The Grizzly H6070 bench sander uses 2 dust ports that should help keep your worksite clean for sanding efficiency and precision, as well as safeguard your respiratory health. This bench sander is powered by a 1/3 HP motor with a speed of 3450 RPM. This level of power could come in handy for bigger workloads in professional settings. The removable belt platen on this model could help to facilitate an effortless contour sanding. Additionally, a manual belt tracking feature facilitates proper belt alignment for efficiency. Beware, though, as the motor bogs down when pushed too hard. Another possible inconvenience here is the flimsy plastic material that the clamp lever is made of. It might break if not handled cautiously. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.